Well, students, here I want to discuss problem number 9. Let R be a relation from natural number to natural number defined by R is equal to collection of element AB such that AB belongs to natural number and A is equal to B square. The relation between you say object and its image is object is equal to square of its image. Square of its image. Are the following true? A belongs R for all A natural number. AB belongs R implies BA belongs R. AB belongs R. BC belongs R implies AC belongs R. So this problem is based on type of relation. Without giving knowledge of types of relation, this question belongs to types of relation. Try to understand. Here, which one is true? Here it is given that A belongs real number. A belongs real number. If you see here, if A is equal to 1, then its square is 1. It is true. But if A is equal to 2, then its square is 4. So it is not true. So none of the natural number is equal to its square. None of the natural number is equal to its square. So this is not true. And this relation is known as reflexive. Reflexive. You have to not study in class 11 by name. But you have to only decide. You have to only decide this relation is true or not. So now, on the basis of this property, that natural number is not equal to its square. So of course, this relation is not true. So this relation is not reflexive, you may say. Now, second is AB belongs R implies BA belongs R. If A is equal to B square, it does not imply B is equal to A square. See it by some example. Suppose A is equal to 9. A is equal to B square. A is equal to 9, B is equal to 3. So of course, 9 is equal to 3 square. But B is equal to not A square. B is what? 3. A is 9. So 3 is not equal to 9 square. Is it clear? So it is not symmetric. This relation is known as symmetric relation. Here, it is not asked by the name. This problem. In this problem, you have to only decide whether it is true or false. So, let us start it to make more clear. Suppose A is equal to 9, yes, and A is equal to B square is relation, and B is equal to 3. 9 is equal to 3 square, it is true. But when we reverse it, what does it mean? Then you will see that A is equal to what? 9. A related to B, but B is what? 3. So 3 is not equal to A square. 3 is not equal to A square. So B is not related to A. So this is not symmetric relation. Now see, AB belongs R. You see it by taking particular example. A is equal to 16. B is equal to 4. Now I want to make it clear. If AB belongs R, BC belongs R, then AC belongs R or not. You see, here you make it clear by taking example. Suppose A is equal to 16, B is equal to 4. And this belongs to R. A is equal to B square. And now B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 2. The B is equal to C square. So AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. Now think, is AC belongs to R? A is 16 and C is 2. 16 is not equal to 4, 2 squares. So this statement is false. So it is very important, and this relation is known as transitive. Transitive. This is a very important question of NCERT. Problem number 9 of miscellaneous example. I hope this is in class 12 also. So now, I hope you will do it. And now, you may solve some problems relating reflexive, symmetric and transitive. This is my suggestion. You must prepare in advance. So this problem is one example. And this is very easy. And you solve this problem by taking another particular example. You may solve this. I hope you must solve this type of problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.